In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate bonus in Excel. We're going to create a simple bonus formula that checks whether a sales value meets a target and then automatically calculates a bonus if the target is achieved. This is a very useful Excel technique because it combines logical testing with a calculation, which makes your worksheet more dynamic and much easier to manage. To begin, go to cell D2. This is where the bonus result will appear. In this example, the target is in cell B2 and the actual sales amount is in cell C2. What we want Excel to do is compare those two values. If the sales amount in C2 is greater than or equal to the target in B2, then Excel should calculate 5% of the sales amount. If the sales amount is below the target, then instead of showing a number, it should display the text "no bonus." In cell D2, enter an IF formula that performs that check. The logic is simple. If C2 is greater than or equal to B2, return C2 multiplied by 5%. Otherwise, return no bonus. This kind of formula is helpful because it lets Excel make a decision for you automatically based on the data in the row. As you type the formula, make sure the text "no bonus" is enclosed in quotation marks. That tells Excel that it should treat it as text, not as part of the calculation. Also, remember that the percentage is based on sales, so the bonus amount is calculated from C2, not from the target value in B2. Once the formula is entered, press Enter. Excel will immediately show the result in D2. If the sales figure meets or exceeds the target, you'll see the bonus amount. If not, you'll see no bonus instead. This gives you a instant way to identify who qualified for a bonus and who didn't. After that, apply the same formula to the rest of the employees by dragging it down. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of cell D2 until you see the small fill handle, then click and drag downward. Excel will copy the formula to the cells below and automatically adjust the row references for each employee. This is a quick and efficient way to calculate bonuses across a full list without having to retype the formula again and again. And that's how it's to calculate bonus in Excel using a simple IF formula.